we're going to do is we're actually going to do something inside that function. That viewDidLoad function is basically the function that says, hey, here's what's happening when the screen loads, when our app loads. And so what we want to do now is we want to do something with this outlet that we've just created. Now that we have an outlet, once again, it's a variable, and so we can do things with that variable. And one thing we can do is when you have a view is you can set its background color. So we're going to just at the start take that color view, that's that outlet we just created, and set its background color to black. So I'm going to go in here. I'm just going to, everything you need to do needs to come after this super.viewDidLoad. So, and notice there's this comment here that says, do any additional setup after loading the view. So that means, okay, we've loaded the view, and now what do we want to do with it? So I leave this comment here just as a way to sort of separate, everything I'm going to be doing with the app and the viewDidLoad is going to come after that comment. So I'm going to take this new variable I've just created, colorView, and I'm going to type in here in the function colorView dot background color equals dot black. So our background colors, there's a few different colors that that are sort of set as defaults, and they use this sort of dot notation because they're an enumerator type, and so black is simply that. It's going to set it to black. You can go through there and see if you type in other colors, do other things show up. Is red an option? Red's an option. Blue's an option. Let's see if yellow's an option. Yellow would be an option. Let's see if something like purple. Ooh, purple's there too. So so you can sort of see what's in there. But once again, for right now, we're just going to say black. And so what that should now do is it's saying, okay, this outlet that we've just created, this color view, we're now going to set its background color to black when we load our scene. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and run this and see what it looks like. I'm gonna start running it. And then I do want to talk about this next section here and what it's talking about or what it's referring to. We've just added one outlet. Now, in the final thing, we're going to have this outlet, this view, and then we're going to have a bunch of these actions. We're going to have 3 sliders. We're going to have 3 switches. We're going to have a button. And so these are all things that are going to be connected to things in the storyboard that are connected to code. And so sometimes when you're doing this, especially the first time, there will probably be times when you'll try to run things and it'll crash. And most of the time it's crashing because we don't have something connected properly. So what you can do is, before I look at the app running, is one thing you can do is you can go to, in this side view over here, the inspectors, we can go to the connections inspector. And what we see here is that it talks about outlets, and then it eventually will have some actions as well. And right here we see color view, and it's connected to the view controller, and there is a filled in circle here. And that's really, really important. There are going to be some times when you'll think you'll have connected something, but you'll have done something in the code that will have disconnected it. When I teach this, when I'm actually in class with students, this is the error that comes up most often, and the place I have to go most of the time is going here and looking at, are things still connected properly? Are circles filled in? and do we still have those connections? Sometimes it can happen where you realized you named something incorrectly and you rename it, and then that all of a sudden changes the connection. It's not connected properly anymore. And there's a couple other easy ways that stuff can get messed up. So let's look at our app. So all we did here is we just added a little line of code that said, hey, let's make the view start as black. And that's what it did. Now, instead of having nothing on the screen, we have a black rectangle. So that's all we did there. And if you instead put in red or yellow or some other color here instead of black, when you ran it, you should have seen something, a different color.